welcome back to my channel and welcome to a hair video. So today I will be doing this video on Reshine Hair. If you guys are interested in how I did this hair, then just keep on watching. So you guys, this is the box that the hair comes in. So it comes with hair and 2 wig caps, and right now I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like fresh out of the box, and it is so cute. It reminds me of, what's that little girl, Shirley Temple. And this is how it looks. So this is how the hairline looks, and I'm going to go in with some plucking, but I wanted to show you guys the before. So yeah, you really don't need to go in with any plucking, but I still decided to. And right here is how much hair that I plucked, which is not really that much, and this is how it's looking. I do not bleach my knots, so I like to just coat the inside of my wigs with any skin colored makeup, honestly, and then to prevent any oil or lifting, I'm going to spray inside with my Got To Be spray, and I'm just going to put it on and size it to my head to see where I want it to lay. And of course I'm going to cut off majority of the lace because it's getting in the way of my eyelashes. And this is how the hair looks, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. So I'm just going in with some water and some mousse, and we're just going to try to tame these curls. I clipped the hair back because now I'm going in with my scissors as close to the lace as possible and cutting off the rest of that excess lace because I want to get ready to Got To Be it down. So when I'm about to glue my wigs down, I like to pull forward baby hairs, especially when I'm using Got To Be spray, because I like to spray behind the lace. I feel like pulling the hair forward kind of acts as an anchor and helps it stay down, as opposed to having all of the hair back and just sticking it on. This way is easier for me. So after all the hair is sprayed down, I'm just going to take my hair tie it around, and cut off all the hair from in front of my face. And then I'm going to wait about 5 minutes, come back and take the tie off. And this is how we look. Honestly, I know we look a little bit crazy, but I'm going to take my edge brush, the brush side, and push back any of my baby hairs. And I will be doing my baby hairs off camera, so if you'd like a dedicated tutorial on that, just let me know in the comment section down below. But this is basically it. We're finished. Oops, one last step. I'm taking my LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm just intensifying that part there. You guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.